The overnight hours, satellite and radar, we're enjoying a lot of sunshine out there right now. It looks good, doesn't feel so good because temperatures for a lot of us are sitting in the mid to upper 30s. We are up into the 40s. And for our inland locations, places like Joliet at 44, same thing in Aurora. It's only 37 at O'Hare, 35 at the Chicago Lakefront, down to 33 in Waukegan, and it's 37 degrees in Gary. Once you factor in the breeze, we have wind chill temperatures for a lot of us that are sitting in the lower 30s. Forecast low temperatures tonight. You'll notice that they're not going to see a huge drop from where we are right now. So we're looking at lows tonight in the lower 30s, pretty close to the freezing mark, and that's likely going to occur this evening, and then we'll start to slowly rise going into early morning tomorrow. Tomorrow actually looks really nice and mild. We're going to be in the mid to upper 60s. Wednesday and Thursday, a brief little cool down coming our way on Friday, but this weekend we could be in the upper 70s by Sunday. Your full forecast is coming up.
All right, let's just get to
We have temps sitting in the mid to upper 30s downtown. Only 33 degrees in Waukegan. It's 37 in Gary, 38 in Merrillville. But locations farther inland away from the water, we have temps that have made it into the mid 40s in Rensselaer. Same thing in Joliet and Aurora. 44 in Morris, 46 in LaSalle, and it's 39 degrees now in Woodstock. Futurecast running us throughout the rest of this evening. We're looking at increasing cloud cover. Notice by 9 p.m. or so, we're still in decent shape, but temperatures taking a bit of a hit. We're going to see our low temperatures falling to the lower 30s. Some rain shower activity going to be moving through. Very small chance for a wintry mix closer to the Wisconsin state line. But notice by daybreak on Wednesday, a lot of this is already beginning to move out of the region. And the majority of your daytime hours on Wednesday actually look pretty good. I think we break into sunshine. It will be gusty. We'll have southerly winds gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour. But temperatures tomorrow looking fantastic. We're going to be in the mid 60s for your highs on Wednesday afternoon. By Thursday, we have another chance of showers and storms, mainly in the morning and then again at night, but most of the day looks fine. 67 degrees. We have showers possible again on Friday with a high of 54. Weekend looks good. Dry skies on Saturday. On Sunday, a couple showers and storms at night. Otherwise, 77 and gorgeous. Back to you.
Thanks, Emily.
30s once you factor in a breeze coming in off of the water. We actually have wind chill temperatures right now sitting right around 29 or 30 degrees in the city. So it is cold. We're at 38 degrees at O'Hare, 37 in Gary. High temperature today was 38 or 39 degrees, excuse me, in Merrillville, but 40s further inland, places like Rensselaer. 45 degrees is what we made it to in Kankakee. 44 in Aurora, hit 40 degrees over in Woodstock. Your 5-day forecast, though, looks a lot better than the temperatures that we have today. So mid to upper 60s expected Wednesday and Thursday, down to the 50s very briefly on Friday. And then on Saturday, we're near 60 degrees again. Big warm up is expected early next week. On Sunday, we're expected to be in the upper 70s, and I think we'll keep the 70s around for at least a couple days early next work week. So this is your temperature outlook from the 13th through the 17th, which happens to be Monday through Friday of next week. And you can still see that we're pretty strongly favored to see above average conditions. So those warmer than normal temps, normal, by the way, is right around 56 degrees. We're expected to be above that throughout the majority of next week, too. Satellite and radar, things are quiet for now, but we're going to start to see increasing cloud cover this evening, and then eventually late this evening into the overnight, we're going to have scattered rain showers, maybe a few hour window here where we could be seeing a wintry mix close to the Wisconsin state line. It's really not going to amount to much, though. Again, very scattered in nature. It's out of here for a lot of us before daybreak tomorrow. Through the day tomorrow, we should be able to break into some sunshine temperature-wise. Looking really good, but it's going to be gusty. We'll have southerly winds gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour. Temps will be in the mid to upper 60s. And then another batch of rain, maybe a couple thunderstorms going to move through Wednesday night. And then that's going to last into early Thursday morning. We could see another push of rain being possible going into Thursday night into early Friday morning. So a lot of our rain chances are actually coming at nighttime. 7-day forecast, mid to upper 60s tomorrow. Same thing on Thursday. Friday, high of 54, dry skies expected on Saturday, and by Sunday, chance of rain at night. Daytime hours look good, and highs will be in the 70s early next week. We'll be right back. But just off to our west, we have increasing cloud cover, a few showers. Some of this activity is going to try to work in during the overnight. So we're going to see at least spotty rain showers, possibly a little bit of a wintry mix near the Wisconsin state line tonight into the early morning hours of tomorrow. Temperatures are currently cold. We're sitting in the mid to upper 30s close to the lake. Inland, that's where we find temperatures that are still in the 40s. Forecast low temperatures tonight. A lot of us are going to hit these numbers right around midnight. Then we'll start to see temperatures rising into the mid to upper 30s. 30s around daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow, the rain showers are going to move out during the morning. The rest of the day looks great. Temperatures, though, huge improvement. Mid to upper 60s tomorrow. Same thing on Thursday. Brief cool down on Friday. But by the end of the weekend, we are talking 70s. Your full forecast is coming up.
Thanks, Emily.
I think, everybody's kind of gathering around and watching this all together. It's been very fun to watch. All right, temperatures outside right now. It's cold. We're in the mid to upper 30s close to the lake. Inland locations are in the 40s still, but once you factor in a light breeze, well, it's feeling more like the low 30s out there. Futurecast taking us throughout the next few hours. Dry skies through late this evening, but then closer to midnight, we start to see scattered rain showers moving in, maybe even a few snowflakes at times or sleet. So we could be seeing a wintry mix near the Wisconsin state line. But otherwise, warming temperatures going into early tomorrow morning. And then it's going to get gusty. We'll have south winds gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour. But that's going to be pushing in some warmer air. So your temperatures tomorrow are actually expected to be in the mid 60s, a huge improvement from what we saw today. 5-day forecast tomorrow, 66. We'll have that chance for a couple stray showers in the morning. Better chance is going to be here at night into Thursday morning. Most of the daytime on Thursday looks dry again before rain returns. Thursday night into Friday, 54 degrees on Friday. Your weekend is looking great. We'll be right back. Tomorrow, we're going to start to see warmer air building in, and actually tomorrow's high temperatures are going to be soaring into the mid to upper 60s. So we have a huge improvement in store for us, and that's wonderful news after spending today in the 30s and 40s. Tonight, we're going to be dropping down into the low 30s for a lot of us, right around the freezing mark. That's going to take place close to midnight, and then we'll start to see rising temperatures going toward daybreak tomorrow. So a lot of us tomorrow morning when the sun's coming up, we're going to be waking up to temperatures that are in the mid to upper 30s. We do have a chance of rain showers out there tonight, possibly mixing in with a little bit of sleet close to the Wisconsin state line. But then tomorrow morning, after the sun comes up, we'll see a nice drying trend. Skies are going to be partly sunny by 10. We should be in the mid 40s by that point. Eventually 66 degrees for your high, so it's going to feel good tomorrow. And then we have another chance of rain Wednesday night, lasting into Thursday morning, but most of the Thursday daytime hours again look mainly dry. Temperatures near 67, and then a little bit cooler going into your Friday with a high of 54. Dawn. We should.
We think we need to warm them up. Give them some 60s, 6s, 7s in there. Maybe some 8s.
Don't do the thing. Don't. You almost set us up for it, Dawn. All right. Yes. So we have flood warnings for all locations that you see in these green polygons kind of surrounding a lot of our area riverways because of all of the rain that we picked up last week. If you think back to last week, we had round after round after round of showers and thunderstorms, many of which were strong to severe, heavy downpours, and a lot of us ended up picking up between 2.5 and about 5.5 inches of rainfall last week. So that's a lot of water that's now continuing to work its way to our area waterways. Your high temperatures today, we tapped out in the mid to upper 30s for most locations, but inland, we were able to make it into the mid 40s, 44 degrees in Aurora, 45 in Kankakee, made it to 44 in Rensselaer, and only 33 degrees in Waukegan. Here's some good news, though. Mid to upper 60s expected on Wednesday, same thing on Thursday. We're going to see a few rounds of showers in the mix as well, but I think a lot of it is actually going to be coming during the overnight hours. So daytime hours, we're going to have plenty of time to get outside, enjoy the warmer temperatures tomorrow. Same thing on Thursday. Friday, brief cool down into the 50s, but we have to keep in mind that average for this time of the year is right around 56 degrees. Your temperature outlook, this is for next week. So Monday through Friday of next week, the 13th through the 17th, we're still pretty strongly favored to see above average conditions. In fact, we're in the 70s on Sunday, and I think we should be able to make it into the 70s again Monday, Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday as well. So your satellite and radar, things are quiet for now, starting to see some higher level clouds building in. Off to our west, we have showers. Some of that's going to try to work its way into our region late tonight and then into the early morning hours of tomorrow. But you'll notice here that it's fairly scattered in nature. And then by daybreak tomorrow, a lot of us are already beginning to dry out. We may see a couple stragglers out there right around daybreak, but then we should dry things out. And then our skies are going to become partly cloudy during the afternoon. So we're going to enjoy some sunshine. Notice the wind direction. So that's going to be key tomorrow. We'll have gusty southerly winds, gusting as high as 30, maybe even close to 40 miles per hour at times. But that's going to help to boost temperatures into the mid 60s for your highs tomorrow afternoon. Cold front comes through at night, and then it's just going to slowly sag through the area on Thursday. But I think the majority of the rain associated with that, with at least the first go around, is going to be Wednesday night into early morning Thursday. A lot of the daytime is going to stay dry, and then we'll see another push of rainfall being possible Thursday night and then that's going to last into Friday. For tonight, 33 degrees. We'll have that chance of showers, possibly a wintry mix near the Wisconsin state line. Your 7-day forecast tomorrow, 66. 67 on Thursday, partly sunny skies during the day once that rain moves out. Another batch of rain Thursday night into Friday. Saturday, dry skies, 60 degrees, and then we are in the 70s early next week. Dawn.
Thanks, Emily. That's really nice.
Yeah.
All right, quick update. We are almost out of time. Stream us on your smart TV with Fox Local. We're on